Okay. So what we're gonna see here today? Today we'll be trying to deploy our code in multiple environment. First thing. Then after that, I'll give you the basics of Kubernetes. Theory basics, I'll give it to you. After that, not basics, I'll give you the some concept of view on the Kubernetes. Then Kubernetes and Docker both are parallel to work. Okay. So Docker and Kubernetes architecture, I'll share one more time, once again in a parallel way. Okay, so that'll be easy for you to understand both. Okay, so let's understand that. What we understood here. So if you remember that, we were till the first point, right? No, we're in the first one, right? What we did yesterday session. So we created one application. In that application, we made it for the dev environment. One application we made it for dev environment. After making to the dev environment, we move it to the another one. So another months we have divided two different stages. One is the dev stage, one is the stage. Two we have done it, right? So what we will do, first one we will go with the normal master branch or something, I'll go, and second will change. At the time of running, it should ask me whether I should be able to run into dev branch or I wanted to run into your stage branch, right? So those part we have to understand there. So what we have done here, okay, come on quickly, dear. Have a seat. It's 9, almost 9:15. Sit, please. Comfortable? Can I start? Okay, good. So fine. Let's see. Actually, we were discussing the multiple environment, right? So we tried to do. Okay. Give me a minute. Okay, I'll just call them. Guys, online folks, actually, there's some issue with the screen. Let me figure it out first. 1 minute, please. From there, you're not able to see, no? See, what is happening over here is like you have to define the multiple environment. So main agenda would be we would be creating the two different branches first. Okay. So based on the branch selection, your image will push. Okay. And based on the image, you'll get a different application. What the point? Okay. So we were trying to do yesterday, but it was failing it seems yesterday. Okay. It was failing it seems yesterday. What was the reason why you're getting it fail? Huh. Yes. Single container and multiple container, right? We'll see that. Okay. So can you manage guys or backside or shall we start or shall we wait? You can manage. Meanwhile, they are coming up. Okay. Fine. See, so what we'll do, we'll first go back to our uh, uh, we'll go back to our DevOps account. Okay, so this is your DevOps. 1 minute, let me close this all. Right. So I'll go to my DevOps account real quick. DevOps account, where is that? Here. Okay. So let's go to our project. We were in our 9 a.m. batch, right? Let's come over here and we'll go to our pipeline. Okay. So we'll go to the pipeline. We'll go to our pipeline. This was the pipeline actually. Okay. So let's try to edit that. Let's try to edit the pipeline. Okay. So see, four things actually, right? Understand. Build image. Is it clear? I'll go step by step. Please understand. What is in the build image, buddy? Build image is build an image that you know that. ACR means Azure Container Registry, that we know that. In that subscription, we'll choose as our subscription that we gave it, right? So we'll use our subscription. That subscription is called as a Naveen subscription, Naveen service connection, new service connection, right? Then what is our ACR? ACR would be this one, okay? Guys, we will take some time, 10 minutes. If you are not able to see, you can come forward. You can manage, right? Okay, please stop me if you're not able to see. I'll repeat once again, right? Okay, no problem. Fine. So what we'll do here, we'll have a build image. Okay. Where is that? Here. We have a build image here. So where is that Naveen Asia? Naveen Asia is here. Naveen CR1234 is over here, right? So if you go back to Naveen 1234, what happens is, if you go to the repository part, we'll get one image actually. Okay, we'll get one image Docker repo, right? So what we are doing there, we are going back to your like pipeline here. We are going to back to your pipeline, and we are coming back to the, what is the option for that? Build an image. After that, Docker file. After that, you have to write this. What is this? Why this is used? Image hyphen build repository name colon build source branch name hyphen build ID. Is it correct? Huh? Is it correct? Okay, you will tell me. I'll, after running, you'll tell me like what is that wrong. Okay, fine. So what is that? Tell me. Is it correct or wrong? It's wrong, right? Okay, we'll see. So we have a build image. Inside that, build source name, source branch name. Okay, hyphen your build ID. I want you to give that build ID. Okay. So let me come to that and see. Okay. Over here, somebody is there. Someone will be there. Location will be there. Okay. It's depend on us. Got the point? So what I will be getting it now, basically I would be getting image 1. What I'll get, buddy? Image 1. Then after that, branch name. Okay. Hyphen, no branch name, buddy. After that, you'll get a repository name. Repository name, right? So I'll go as a, what is the repository name for us? Docker repo, right? Docker repo, no? So we'll be going with the Docker repo. So guys, have a look, please. Okay. Let's change the cable first, okay? We'll hold for 2 minutes of time. For 2 minutes of time, we're changing the cable of projector. Okay. So what should be getting it? We should be getting it as a image 1. Okay. Then Docker repo. Right. After that, colon. Colon there, right? So colon means going inside. Right here. Going inside. And then hyphen build ID. Build ID would be, okay. Column is branch name. What is my branch name, buddy? Dev branch. Right? So we'll go to the dev branch hyphen 1920, whatever. Got the point? So same thing. What I'll be getting it, buddy, here. So I would be getting as a, I'll be getting as a image 1. Right? Example, I'm writing it here. Okay. Let's come down. Okay. So this is example for you. Okay. Example for you would be image 1. Tell me, buddy, what would be that? Docker repo. Then dear, you're going inside. Right. Then, buddy, what next? What next? Dev branch. Very good, buddy. What is that? Dev branch. Then hyphen build ID 1920 1050, whatever is the current build, that will come. So far it's clear, no? No doubts? Very good. If no doubt, I'll come back here. So the same thing I did it. So far, anyone have doubt, please stop me. We are just continuing from the yesterday class. Okay, it's clear, no? Till this point? Right. Now, there is no change at all. Nothing. I'm not doing any change at all. Right here? I'm not changing any changes at all. Okay, very good. I'll go to the push image. Push would be the same, nothing, right? Same, we are building it. We are pushing to the container registry. That's it. I'm not doing anything else in that. Is it clear? Right here, clear enough? Okay, everyone. Good. Now, so I'll come back here. I'll come back. Select. You want me to take a screenshot of this for your reference? While practicing, you might need that, right? So I'll take the screenshot of that. Okay. Let me take that screenshot of that, so that will be easy for you during the practice. Document. What is this publish artifact, right? Let me delete this all. I'll go with first build pipeline. Okay. Build pipeline. I've take the image of this diagram. Let's come bit up. Okay. Here. That's it. Okay. So let me take the screenshot of this new. Okay. Main important point would be this one here. What is that? Main important part would be this guy. Okay. Others you know already, right? So I'm highlighting this for your reference. Okay. So copy this and paste out here. Okay, folks. Right. Now we'll go to the build pipeline. In the build pipeline, this is something as a build an image. Okay. Right. And here at last would be push an image. So push an image, what I'm doing, I'm not doing anything different. Okay. Same thing, right? It's same thing. So let me take the screenshot of this as well. Nothing different. Okay. Only thing there we are taking the Docker file. Here we don't have to take the Docker file. Already image is there. I'll push it. Okay. So I'll go with the snipping once again. Okay. Same would be the focus would be this only. Right? No? This would be the focus. So I'll go to the copy and paste it over there. So it will be useful for your reference to you. Tell me, buddy. Right. Okay. So now third one, I'll go to this. Third one is this, right? So what is the third one? How we are getting it? Third one, we have to deploy the application. Okay. Deploy the application, right? So deploying application, I have already created the app services. I have already created the app services, and that app services, see, understand what is that logic here. First, you don't create this app step. Third step, you don't create it. Got the point? Only build an image, push an image, then run it. What will you get? You'll get a image. You have to create the app services. Got the point? In that app services, source file name, you can no need to write it. You can leave it as it is. Is it clear enough or not? Everyone, guys, it's clear, right? Steps is clear, right? Very good. Once you got the application, you have to come back to here. You have to come back to the build image and add the option as a source file name. Clear? Very good. Now come to this. You'll get the stage name here. And what you have to do it, you have to just scroll down and here. What we are doing the release pipeline now, we are doing the build only now. Okay. So we are trying to create a new service connection with the help of that. That is the application name. I have it. Dev app we have it. Okay. Right. And you have to go with the image. This is a bit different. You have to understand. This image name is a bit different from that build image and push image. Only one difference, nothing more. What is the differences, buddy? You have to write, you have to give the option of this one. What is that? Container registry name, full container registry name. Where you can get that? Not project, buddy. You can go with the service, not portal. Portal, you are creating the service connection, no dear. In the portal, you have a service connection, right? No, portal, you have a container registry, right? Go to there, try to copy that. Copy that. Okay? You got the point? After copying, you need to come back here. Okay? You need to come back here and you have to come to this point. Did you understand it or not? Just write it /, and copy the build image name and push image name, same copy and paste. Is it clear enough? Any doubt you have in your mind? Any type of doubt you have in your mind? No doubts, right? Very good. If you don't have a doubt, then what to do? I'll take the screenshot of this first, okay? New. The point would be main this one, okay? Right here. This would be your main point to understand. Clear? Oh, not save. I don't want to save. Copy it. Go back to here. You have to come with this. This is for your Azure app deploy. Okay. For container. Right? This would be your option. Right here. I'm going step by step. Okay. Very good. Now what to do? If you run it out, what you will get? Now you have to run this. Don't think this. Okay. I crossed it. Okay. I would have deleted also, but you want me to delete? I'll delete also. No problem. Or this is okay, right? I'm stuck out, right? So let me delete. You will get confused. Okay. So here, now what to do? Save and queue it, right? I'll run it. So what will happen now? You tell me. You have to tell me, dear. What will happen now? See, earlier what was happening, buddy? Earlier what was happening? Earlier I was getting image 1, Docker repo, and build ID 14. That's it. But we make some changes to the source branch. Right here. We make some changes to the source branch here. No? Source branch here. So this time I would be getting into my repository. I'll get it something as a image 1 Docker repo. Inside that, what is that? Dev branch hyphen 10, 12, whatever. Got the point or not, buddy? Clear? Okay, guys, online guys, it's clear. Online folks, it's clear, right? All of you. All good, right? Anyone have a doubt so far? No, it seems. So I'll go with the save and run it. Okay. No worries. Hold on. Okay. See what I was getting before. Before what I was getting it. Understand, please. You are not able to understand. Have a look. Please understand. First, what you are doing it. I know it's a difficult one. So that's why I'm taking more time to explain you. Okay. Hold on. First of all, what you'll do? You'll create a build pipeline. Right here. In the build pipeline, build image. In the build image, you'll put like this image hyphen. Okay. Image hyphen. And you are using that as a build underscore what is that? Build dot repository name, right? Hyphen, sorry, colon. What writing? Build dot build ID. You are right. Great. We are using this. Yes or no, dear? Very good. Same thing I'll use in where? Same thing I'll use your push image. Very good. I'm not gonna repeat again, dear. Please understand. I think this is repeating 6th time. 2 days we are repeating no same thing, right? Understand. So what will give the output here, buddy? What would be your output in this image? What image, brother? Same image. What I'm generating, right? Image 1 hyphen Docker repo. Then inside I'll go with the 10. See, you stuck it here only. This is the previous first step, madam. Got the point? Dev branch, not now. We'll go with the previous first one. Is clear? That's why I'm going step by step. Is it clear, guys? Clear, madam? Good. So if you got it, what to do? You have to create a app service with the help of this guy. Yes or no? App service single instances. What is that? ACR. You'll create app services, right? Clear enough, right? No doubt in that. Anyone have a doubt? Let me know. No doubt, right? It's clear. Very good. What the next step? Next step is you have to come back again to the pipeline. What is that? Build pipeline. You write here as a dev branch, dev something, app service for dev. Okay. Now you have to come to your build pipeline. You come to the build pipeline, right? Edit it. We are writing simple step, man. Anyone can understand it. Okay. Edit it. After editing, you go to the build image and push image. Okay. And you have to do small changes, buddy. Got the point? What are small changes? Here, you have to write as a build dot source branch. What you are telling that, right? Source branch and hyphen. Clear now? Same thing I wanted to implement here in the push image also. Hope you got my point, buddy. Okay. Clear? Very good. Clear? Right? And later I will add one job called app service deploy. Is it clear enough? Right, buddy? Already screenshot is there with you. Okay. Very good. So in the app service deploy, what you will do? There's an image name, right? Image is there, no? In the image, what you're gonna do? You have to type it as a, what you have to type? Right. ACR full name, full path, followed by this guy. What is that? This guy. Push image or build image, anything you can take it out. Is it clear? Shall I move ahead? Anyone have a doubt? Online guys, you are how many? 57. If you have any doubt, please stop me there only. Offline, madam, any doubt? Clear, no? Good. I'll move ahead now. Okay. So let me go to the next point. Shall I go and run it? So if I'll run it, what will happen? I'll get now as a new image. Image 1 in Docker repo. Then dev branch hyphen 11. Next time 12, 13, 14, 50, whatever it would be. Let it pass. If you'll fail this time, you have to give me a solution. You have to give me the solution. I'll not tell. Okay. You have to find the solution for that. I'll help it, no problem. But you have to think it why it is getting failed. Okay. Fail, pass. Pass means everything look to be good. If it is getting pass, what will happen? ACR. Go to ACR. Check it out whether you are getting that option or not. Okay. So I'll go to my ACR here. Where is my ACR? ACR is here. Okay. Here only, no. Shall I go to the repo, buddy? Yes, go to the repo and refresh it. Okay. Refresh it. Image1.docker repo. If you go inside, you'll get it something dev branch 72. If you run it one more time, 73, 74. How many will run? That build ID will get increased. So far it is clear. Is it clear, guys? I'll take the screenshot of this also, okay, for better understanding. Main agenda would be this, right? Okay. Let me copy. Right here. And we'll make it here as a Clear? Now what next? One environment is over. What next? Next is I wanted to go to the staging environment. Okay. So no need to go and like run that again job, same job. You go to the pipeline. You have to go back to the edit pipeline. Okay. Edit the pipeline. You are over here now. What you do? You just right click it and clone the task. What you'll do, buddy? You'll go here, right click it and clone the task. Okay. Got it? Clone the task. And you make the next task job name as a, this is a dev, right? Make it is a staging, stage job, something, your choice. Got the point? Now, one thing. Here also we need the application, app services. I don't have any app services with me. App services already there, I used it, right? Day one. So go and create a new app services. Got the point? Okay. So let me go and create a new app services real quick. So I'll go back to here. I'll try to home. I'll go to home page. Click on the app services here. Click on the app, web app. Okay. You have doubt, please speak to me, buddy. I will be better person to answer you. Please. So go to the resource group. Naveen training. Right? Okay. This I'll make it as a stage app server. Yeah, it's available. Let's go with the Docker. Now you have to think it small changes you have to do it. Okay. Go back to the application Docker container, Linux. Go with the Docker here. Come with the Docker. Now here. Okay. Which is your ACR, right? This time you have to select the another build. Got the point? You generated the dev branch. I'll use the dev branch only. Right? I'll use the dev branch only. Okay. Previous I use that normal one, the Docker repo one. This time branch one I'll use it. Both should be different, no brother. Right here. So I'll use this time as a same here. I'll use as a, what is the latest? This one. Shall I use that? Got the point? Earlier I was using this, but I'll use this time this. Okay. So I'll use this. I'll go with the networking. I'll go with the monitoring. I'll go with the tags. Application will deploy now itself, but controlling will be in my hand. When to run and how to run. Okay. Got the point? Let me create it. So when this application will get created, I'll make a logic. When I'll select dev branch, run this. When I'll select a stage branch, run this. Okay. Let's get it completed first. So I'll go with this normal steps. What I did here, I'll try to go with it. So I just wait application I created for dev, then build pipeline edit, build image, push image, app services, image name, then full name, then I deployed it, right? Okay, no? Run the pipeline. I think we did this, right? Run the pipeline. After that, what it did? This is short steps. Anyway, screenshot will be there with you. Run the pipeline, then verify the repo in ACR. Okay, the next step is create the app. So yes, you are right here. Create new app services for stage. Right here. Fine. Then again, I'll go with the build pipeline and all. Okay. I'll go with the same thing again. Where is that? No. Edit. Yes. Shall I go and copy this? It will be same, no? So shall I go and I'll go and copy this, right? So this time what I'll do, there's no change in this. There is no change in this. Only thing we are going to go with one more app service. I'll go with one more things. Copy this and paste this here. Okay. This is for stage. This is for what, dear? Dev. Now we have to write one logic here. Okay, control logic. Okay, here you have to write, and here also you have to write control logic. That we'll see. App is created. Yeah, my app is created here. Okay, shall I go with the next option now? Very good. Let me come to the build pipeline real quick. My build pipeline is here. I'll come to here. Okay, fine. So this is my stage job, right? So what I'll do, I'll scroll down here. Shall I select the job name different? What is my job name? Stage app name. Clear enough here? Right, everyone good? No? Very good. Come down. Come down. This all, there is no, whether do we have to make any change here? No. Sure. Yes, no. Yes, no. Tell me. Same name. Any doubt, tell me. No doubts, no? So same it would be. Very good. So what is the next thing that you have to do it, buddy, is I'll take this as a screenshot of this first. I made that app name different, right? So I'll go with a screenshot here. What is the point, different point? We have to highlight it. This one, right? And we have added this. Right? No? These two things we have made it changes. So I'm highlighting this for your reference in that screenshot. Okay. Clone the job for app service deploy in stage. Okay. Like this. Clear? Very good. I'll come down. Now what next, buddy? You have to write the control. Okay. Now if you'll run it, what will happen basically? If you'll run it, the job now, what will happen? What will happen? First, my build an image will run, push an image will run, this will run, this will run, all will run. But that is not an ideal way. Why there is a use of multiple environment? So we have to set a control. I want run only dev. I want only stage. That I want only production. That is my control. I'll go with this. Okay. It's always suggestible to go one by one because there is no point running all at a time. If you get any error, resolve that, then go to the next one. Right. So I'll write a content. There is an option, buddy, here that is called as a control option. Can you see? Control option. Okay. Let me click on the control option. In the control option, we have some also called as a run this task. Okay. So what is the condition? Based on the condition will come. Multiple condition here. What is the first condition? When all the previous job has succeeded. What is the meaning? Build an image, push an image, Azure App Service Container app is passed. Then only run this. Clear no? Very good. What is the next? If the previous job failed, unless if it is getting fail, run this. If it is getting fail, even if the previous got it failed, even if it is failed, it is cancelled, then run it. If it is not cancelled, run it. And if only the previous job have failed, please run it. So anyway, we are not using this all. We'll use as a custom condition. What is the condition? I'm looking into that. Based on my input value, I'll give it to you. Please run the application. And one more thing I forgot to update it, buddy. What is that? Tell me. I forgot to do one thing, okay? You go to the application, no? Application setting and all. Application setting. Access we gave yesterday. ACR only one time. Application setting. Do you remember that? Time and what is that? Always on. That two setting. So where is that? Configuration. So go and create a new application setting. Run this. So it will not throw any error, buddy. Okay. So what was that? This one. Application, then general setting, buddy. So I wanted to give this. Okay. Cut this. So this is for the reason that, okay, website container will take some time, 1500 millisecond of time to run it out. Okay. So don't throw any error if it is not loading it. Because we are changing, right? No. So that's the reason we are giving it. So let's give this option and save it. One more setting we have to do. What is the setting? Do you remember that? General setting, always on, but it will not enable for the free account. You have to upgrade it. So go with the general setting. Where is the always on? Scroll down. It's there. Maybe I might have used the premium account. We have used the premium. Oh, maybe no. We might have, see, at the time of creation of the app services, right? We have different option. No, free, basics, premium. If you're selecting the premium, it will come automatically. If you're using the premium, you have to upgrade it. Like yesterday we did it. Yes, it is available in the free account. Okay, good, Manoj. Find here. So it is there. I'll go back here now. So all the setting is done my side. I'll go with the pipeline now. I'll go with the condition. So tell me please. 1 minute. Sorry. It will not throw there. It will not throw there until unless your application is very slow. This is just for like waiting time. Okay. It will not throw error. This is an additional setting. Okay. Now custom condition. What is the condition I wanted to give? I want to match that. Whatever the branch I'll select at the time of running, based on that go. So there is a condition that is some equivalent and all you can, if you write 2-3 times, no, you'll come to know that. Okay. This is the condition. Copy this and paste it here. I'll explain you. No need to worry. What is that? EQ matlab? Sorry, buddy. EQ means what? Equivalent or equal. If this condition, my dear friend, this condition and this condition is matching, then run this. Equivalent means that. Equal means that. So what is the variable I am giving? Build source name. If my build source name is main, do we have main anything? No. What is that? No, I'll go with this is the dev stage. No, I'll go with this. What is the branch name? Eject branch name. We need that. I need eject branch name, buddy. What is my branch name? Eject. Doc or repo. What is that branch name exactly? What is these 2 branches are there? What is ours? Okay, see, it will fail, we'll see that. Okay. I'll go with the captain now. If it will fail, we'll go to the small one. Okay. So STG small BRANCH. Okay. So you have to go back to that and you have to write as STG BRNC, right? Got the point or not, buddy? So if my staging, if I'm at the time of running, I'm selecting the stage branch, then run this. Got the point? Very good. Same thing, I'll just copy here. I'll go back to here also. Dev also, I'll apply it the same. What I'll do with the control? Here, what I should use here, buddy? Very good, dear. What is will use? Dev branch. Doubt? Time by. Doubt? Could be anything? No? Good, right? Okay. So see, understand. Again, I'm telling it. Okay. This is important for you to understand. How it will run. Hold on. It'll come here. By default, it'll run that. It'll come here. By default, it'll run that. It will update that branch name. What is the branch you are using? It will come here. Let's see. While running, I have selected dev branch. What I did? At the running, I have selected dev branch. So what will happen? Here also dev. Here also dev. And ACR also dev will create. Dev branch -12, 13, whatever. It'll come here. It'll see. Equivalent to whether I am selecting the dev branch. Yes. And whether whatever I am getting it in that running time is both the same. If it is the same, it will run. So I have selected what? Dev branch, right? So it will run. But if you go to, okay, this is completed. This step is completed, guys. Online, guys. This step would be completed. This step would be completed, right? Okay. So if this step would be completed, it will come to the next step, right? No, it will come to the next step. It will match it. It will match. What is the branch I have given? No, yaar. We have given a step dev branch. Buddy, we gave the dev branch, no, at the time of running. And what is the branch here? Stays. So will it run? No, it will skip it. Got the point? Now let's change the scenario. Now I am wanted to run the stage branch. I have chosen a stage branch. Right here, I have chosen stage branch. So what will happen, my dear friends? This will run, build image will run, push will run, it'll go here, it'll verify. Okay, what is the branch name you have, bro? You have branch name as a buddy. What is the branch name you have here? Dev, but I'm choosing a stage. So it is not matching. It will go stop it. It not stop, it will skip it. It will not fail, it will skip it. Next. What is the next one? This one. So whether they have a stage? Yes, run it. Similar to that, you can create a dev, a stage, production, UAT, Naveen, Suresh, Mohan, whatever you want, you can rate it. Okay, multiple branches. This is the multiple environment. Shall I try out? Okay. First, let me go with the dev now. Okay, let me go with the dev now. So shall I save and queue? When you click on the save and queue now, it will ask you which branch. Buddy, here is the main culprit. Here you have to select what branch you wanted to run. This is the condition you are matching in that control option. Are you getting it, buddy, everyone? This is the condition you are matching in the control option, right? So I'll select the day branch. I'll give the comment something. I'll start running it. You observe the option here. You observe it. So you tell me. Yeah, it will show. It will show. It will show. Can you see? It will go. It will come here. That's why opening. No, left hand side. Can you see? First, it is running. It will show that. First, it is running the initialize job. Then build an image, push an image, 4 condition, right? This 2 and this 2. This is the final checkout. Okay. Now it is building. Image has built. That is pass. Now it will push it. Hold on. So that is pushed also. So push will pass now. Push will pass now. Pass. It'll go and check now. What I chose, Dave, right? So it will pass. Let's see. Hopefully it should pass. Okay. Let's see. If my condition is right, it will come. If not, then it will fail. Okay. See, app services started successfully. That means that application has run it. Okay. That means that it will get passed now. Pass. It will go here. It is matching. But what happened? Skip. Why skip? Because build.source name I use as a div. And that is not matching with this. Is it clear enough for every one of you? All good, right? No one have any doubts? Okay, let me take with the online guys. Online guys, you have any doubts? Online guys, you have any doubts? Shall I take the screenshot of this? Will be helpful for you? Okay. So let me take the screenshot. So what you have to observe here mainly? What you have to observe? This one and this, which one is running? Okay. Let me copy this. Actually, before that, sorry. Actually, before that, we have to go with one more screenshot. I'll give it to you in that notes also. So, observe the build pipeline flow. Okay. Observe it, right? Now, before that, now next thing, understand. I'll leave this. I'll come back to the pipeline. So, online guys, do anyone have a doubt? Please let me know. Or else I'll move ahead. Come on, guys. If you have any doubt, please tell me. Otherwise, I'll move ahead here. I think everyone is good now, I guess. Okay. So I'll go back now. So, okay. Thanks, Ramesh. Okay. So I'll go back to pipeline here. I'll just try to run it one more time. Run the pipeline. What I want you to give? Stays. So now you have a doubt here. Okay. I gave this condition. Let's see. This is that or that. Let's go with this only first. Okay. If not, then I'll go with change it. So give this stays. I'll run it out. Okay. So if we run it, observe the issue here. Let's see. So first it is preparing the job. Then all the condition will come. Observe it. What happened? Initialize job. Docker repo has been initialized. It's building an image. This is building first time because stage we haven't done it no before. First time it is doing it. Pass. Okay, that means right one. Then build an image, then push the image. So it is pushed also. So it'll get pass. It'll try to verify. It will work or not. Skip. Skip. Right here, skipped. Okay, it get failed. So what is that? Branch issue. Okay, that's you'll see that. Okay, no worries. So it will finalize and it will fail it. Let me go back. What is that coming up? Stage app services doesn't happen here. It shows the code right using it. No, it is not there. So understand the point? Okay. So we have to go back. We have to check it out that option. Whether that what is that option? Stage branch, copy it, the file, and do it. You give a fresh start and give a try. Okay. You understand? No, it will run it. That main the skipping thing. Whether it is skipping or not, that is the main job. Is it clear enough? So will you try it? You give a try on this, okay? So what will happen? This will get a skip and this will run. I have an issue with the branch actually. Stage branch, it will come to here. You will go with this. Okay. So any questions so far, please let me know. Anyone? No questions? Understand, no? Madam, you? Okay. Anyway, what I'll do, buddy, I'll give these steps to you. One more thing I wanted to give one more steps to you. You know what is that? I want you to give these steps so that you'll remember. Run new branch I wanted to highlight. Okay. Okay. This is main thing you have to understand. Okay. Right. So I'll copy this. I'll mention here in the notes here. What should I mention, buddy? First, yes. During running the application, please select the respective branch. Okay. Based on that, the job will run and other will skip. Clear, yeah? Right. So I will be posting these notes to you on your group. Okay. Another adjective is CI/CD is a issue, buddy. In that Docker file, CI/CD, it will not be able to helpful because tell me the reason. We have another way to for that we are looking at. Okay. The reason for that is what is CI/CD? CI/CD continuous integration, continuous deployment. Deployment we have. CD means release. We are not doing the release here. Okay, Janardhan. Okay. Next question is Manoj. When you are creating the tab service, the Docker container, but not give the image it's created, then I will do that. What do you say that? Image it created, then I'll do build pipeline that we are facing same. What is that, bro? What issue here is? Manoj, is the same issue that you messaged me night? Is the same issue that you have shared a message yesterday night? Yes, then I'll walk with you on that. Okay. Okay. Why it get failed here? Please did not get exactly. Guys, tell me why it will get failed. Branch, it was the issue. We have a two branch, stage branch and stage branch, capital B, small b. So what happened? I haven't copied all the files to the stage branch. That's the reason it's getting confused. and is not able to pick up the job, okay, that is getting failed. You just give a try on that. Okay, any question apart from this? Okay, if not, then I have a question for you all. Shall I go? Okay, one question. Manoj, we have a two stage branch. Okay, stage branch, capital B, small b. I made a mistake in that. Now see, I have one question for you all. Javier, you explain him. Okay, fine. See, one question I have. So what you have to do the project in that? Project would be, not project, in the assignment part, you don't go with the dev and stage. You go something like, change some name. No, let's see, A branch, B branch, C branch. You go with 3 branch. Okay, you don't go with only 2 branch. You guys go with the 3 branches. Okay, in that case, what we'll do, if you wanted to go with the 3 branch, what you have to do here? What you need to do, buddy? Tell me. Let's see, A branch is there. Manoj and others, please have a look on the screen. Okay, we will go with the stage branch also. Sam, you just give a try. I haven't copied it. You just give a try. Okay, this is just an assignment for you. Okay, apart from this, you have, or else complete this. That is enough. Let's see the A branch, then B branch, then C branch. Got it? A branch, B branch, and C branch. So tell me, what all the job I'll pick up? Manoj, Sam, and others, please let me know, buddy. I have one branch did so facing the same issues. I did try it. What branch? Fine. Okay, fine. Manoj, like Jave will work with you. If you're stucking out, please let me know. Okay. So A branch is there, B branch is there, C branch is there. 3 branches. So tell me what all the job will come. How will process? You tell me that now. Okay. You'll go with first. Bill pipeline is common. What is the job? But not at a time, no? One by one you'll give it, right? Okay, you'll get confused there. Leave that 3. Work on the 2 only. That is enough. You work on the 2, 3 will also come. Okay, work on 2 only. Okay, but how will follow? Same steps you can follow, right? First build an image and push an image so that you'll get an image. Then go with the source one. Then another source one. Then another source one. Like that you can move in into that. Okay. Any questions, guys? Fine. If you don't have, then I'll be dropping a bit early today. Or before that, let's see. I thought of one more thing. Tomorrow, we gonna start with the Kubernetes and the Docker architecture. Yeah, please. Please tell me. Okay. Stays. Right. Stays have been moved. I'll explain you. Guys, one question by him. I'll explain you. You are right. You are saying that we made one branch here. Dev, in that we made as a dev branch. We made as a stage. For dev, you are using the image that we are giving as a Docker repo. Okay. In the Docker repo, you are going with the what event? Docker repo, you are going with the image 10. For app, you are using this. Yes or no? Right? For stage, what you are using it? You are going with the Docker repo. And from here, whatever the image you are using it, dev you are using it, right? You're generating the dev source name, no? So you are using Docker repo, dev source name, and you are going with the 10. Tell me why. Why? Because you have to create an app service, right? Before only you have to create the app service. And then app service need that image name. So you'll use the previous one. Got the point now? Clear, right? Okay, no? Okay. Fine. One more thing is tomorrow we will start the Kubernetes. In the Kubernetes and Docker, basically both are working parallelly actually. So tomorrow session first, let's discuss the Kubernetes basics, the Kubernetes architecture and Docker architecture. Tomorrow main focus would be your theory only mainly. Okay, all the theory point will be discussed on the tomorrow. Then we'll go with the Kubernetes, what is that? Cluster, AKS and others we'll see. Okay. So what will be the assignment for you now? What is the assignment here? You know the assignment very well. You have to do that same thing, right? Okay. Now, as you the branch name dynamically assign the new ID. Who's this? Someone it is it? Okay. As you choose the build ID of the dev branch while creating the app service for the stage branch, so how dynamically build assign the build ID? Same your question. Okay. What you ask is same question. Who is this? This is Savant, it seems, right? Yes. Savant, understand, please. Savant, this is for you. Understand. I'm going for dev now. I'm creating the dev app services. Okay. Before we choose the job for app service deploy, you are creating the app service. In the app service, you are using what image name? Docker, repo, and you are going with the 10. Right? Build ID. Shavant, you understand it? We are using the same dynamically same ID, right? Okay, dear. Can you confirm me? Okay. Now, then we are creating the job, no? App service, deploy, dev. In that, I'm using the job name as a dev job. Yes or no? Very good. Let's come to the next step. What is the next step I'm doing it? I'm going with the stage. For stage, what I'm doing before? We are creating app service. For app services, what I need? Image name. How will get the stage image name until unless you are not running it? So I'll use that. I'll create a stage app. In that, I need the image name. So what I'll use the image which I have generated from here. Okay. Docker, repo. Inside that, I'll go with the dev -11. Hopefully now it should be good. You should be able to understand now, Savant. To get the point? In the staging, I'm using the previous one. If you go to this production, I'll use the staging one. Savant, is clear? Right? And if it is practically, until unless you are not doing it, it will not be clear for you. Okay? But you understand the logic, no? So let's wind up the call here. You do it out. Tomorrow would be your Kubernetes class. In that, we'll understand that architecture of Docker repo, Kubernetes basic, AKS.